Ashwagandha versus Maca. Hey, I'm Logan Christopher from Lost Empire Herbs, here to talk to you about ashwagandha versus maca. Well, first up, you'll notice we have a tincture of our ashwagandha, whereas our maca just comes as the root powdered down. So a little bit different forms, and it's going to depend on how you want to use these, but which effects you're looking for. I really see ashwagandha as its principal thing is that is lowering stress in the body, or really what it's actually doing is not lowering stress, but allowing you to handle stress much better. And in so doing, it does seem to lower cortisol, what is known as the stress hormone in the body. And with cortisol down, that can do things like free up testosterone, so it's supporting that function in guys, especially in women. It's going to free up the other hormones, so that just with cortisol too high, it really kind of robs the whole sex hormone department for either of the sexes. Ashwagandha also can help with sleep oftentimes. It can help with supporting the thyroid hormone. It really kind of works system-wide in the body, and it is absolutely great for that. I really like the tincture because it is convenient and easy to take. Now let's switch over to maca. Maca is known, one of the most famous things it's known for is helping with energy and helping with libido. It has a reputation for helping with testosterone or the sex hormones, but really the science looking at that finds that it does not affect those hormones so much. It is helping with libido and energy kind of independently of the hormones. Now with maca, working with the root, you can really take large doses of this stuff, and many people will find that it's only at several tablespoons per day where they're really kind of noticing those effects of it. There is a small percentage of the population that for whatever reason seems extremely sensitive to maca. So they can take a small amount and really feel a lot of energy from that. If that's you, then you're lucky. Maca is going to be a great supplement. You can take a big bag like this and it'll last you a long time. And if you're really looking for those sexual effects, then once again, the dose, play with it, find what works for you. I like maca because it tastes great. It has a kind of a malty flavor that can be great to add to smoothies and shakes. I actually add it to my coffee many mornings. Really tastes good in doing that. So a little bit of different effects from these. There's no reason you cannot combine both ashwagandha and maca. And I think by having kind of the energy stimulating effects and the stress lowering effects combined together, you're going to get great results with doing this. As far as price, the maca coming just as kind of the root powdered down straight to you is a bit on the cheaper side than our ashwagandha tincture. Of course, there are many other types of ashwagandha available out there, but I'm really proud of our tincture, which is grown in Oregon in the USA. It is biodynamically farmed. It is spagyrically prepared. A lot of amazing work goes into producing this tincture. Not saying that's not true with the maca that's farmed in Peru, but they're both great stuff. But especially I love this spagyrically prepared tincture. So get the ashwagandha, lower your stress, get the maca, help support your energy in different ways. They both taste good in my opinion, and they can both help support you with the needs you have from your herbs. If you're not watching this on our website, lostempireherbs.com, then head on over there. A lot more information about these herbs, the science behind them, the details of how they're working in the body, the testing that we do, independent lab testing for each of these herbs, the reviews from countless customers. A lot more information available over at lostempireherbs.com.